Okay guys, I am back with part 2 of the video, and it includes stamping. So I've already done my right hand. I suggest that if you are stamping, always start with your dominant hand, because I take photos with my left hand. That way it gives you a chance to kind of practice and see what mistakes you're making and how to correct them before you go on to your photogenic hand. I did apply liquid latex again. I did want to mention that I was really surprised that this liquid latex didn't dry up. The ones that I had added, ink, the alcohol inks too, did dry up. So the one that I left by itself didn't dry up. So just in case you guys were wondering. So for stamping, I am using MoYou's Pro Collection XL number 25, and I am using I don't want to say snowflake because it's not snowflake, but I'm using this design right here. So it's a really nice like starburst. Let's call it a starburst pattern. And so it kind of hurts my heart to stamp over this gradient because it is so pretty. I usually like to sport the base coat for a couple days and then stamp, but I figured I wanted to upload this video for you guys, and the color on the bottom is nice and pronounced, so I might as well go ahead and do it now. So without further ado, let's get with the stamping. So the purple that I'm using is a combination. So I have handy purple, but the thing is, it's a little too light for the color scheme that I'm trying to go for. So I am combining with Kleancolor's Love Affair. So you will see how I'll do that. And I do have my Fab Ur Nails Stamper holder with the Fab Ur Nails original stamper head. I'm not sure if she still makes these, but I really like this one. It's a squishy firm. I know there's so many brand new stampers out there, but I figured they're easier to use, the big round ones and the clear ones. But if I want to get back to, being a little bit more proficient and improve, I'm going to go back to the old school stampers, the old school size, and just progress from there. So, just kind of like setting myself up for success. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Love Affair. And I'm applying them about 3/4 of the way of the plate. It is a little bit of a deeper purple. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the handy right on top of it. So just a single layer there. Grab my stamper. Okay, so I'm just going to scrape to combine. Okay. So I have the design there. And then I'm just going to go ahead and stamp it on my nail. I like to press and roll. I know a lot of people like to kind of line it up and then press down. That's not good for me because I am a heavy-handed person, so I kind of tend to stretch or distort the image. And then off camera, I am using a lint roller. Do yourselves a favor, if you can get the name brand Scotch roller. Those work so much better than the Dollar Tree rollers, in my opinion. And then my cotton claw broke, so I'm going to have to just go back to the old school way. Okay, so again, I'm just going to go ahead and progress, covering the plate 3/4 of the way with the non-stamping color, just to kind of achieve the color scheme I want. But I'm still using the power of the special stamping polish. Okay, so there's the design. Okay, and there you go. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with all my nails.